Housed in the historic Cook Building, Ranken's Precision Machining Technology Department consists of a manual machine area, the CNC machine area, and an advanced computer lab. In the manual side of the shop, our many mills and lathes ensure that there is little to no wait time for machine use. This program is partnered with Haas Automation Incorporated and is proud to host one of the largest Haas technical centers in the region. Ranken has 15 Haas CNC machines. New machines are brought in every 2 to 4 years. To ensure we have the most up-to-date training equipment, students design their projects in the computer lab and then program the CNC machines to complete the project in the shop. Ranken's Industrial Technology program is housed in the brand new Mary Ann Lee Technology Center. With 10,000 square feet of shop space, this program is focused on graduating multi-skilled and multi-crafted technicians who are trained in everything from electrical systems and carpentry maintenance to machining and pipe fitting. Students are trained in 4 separate shop spaces, including a machine shop with a wide variety of mills and lathes, the plumbing shop, a carpentry shop large enough for the construction of small-scale buildings, and an electrical training facility. Our Fabrication and Welding Technology Lab is also housed in the Mary Ann Lee Technology Center. Truly a state-of-the-art facility, this lab features 60 new ESAB welding machines, an ESAB CNC plasma cutting table, Mittler Brothers pipe bending and coping equipment, and 2 overhead cranes. Students can work towards certification in gas tungsten arc welding, shielded metal arc welding, gas metal arc welding, and flux cord arc welding.